how to uninstall Valorant from your Windows computer. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can uninstall Valorant from your PC. So in order to uninstall Valorant, first make sure that all of the Valorant services are currently inactive and they are not running in the background. After making sure of that, go to the search bar and simply search for settings. Now, once you click onto the settings, you can see these different options. From here, choose apps and then click on installed apps. Now within the installed app, search for Valorant. Now here you can see the Valorant. So simply click onto these three dots and from here choose the second option, which is uninstall. It says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. To proceed, click onto the uninstall option and it says Riot Client is running. We could not uninstall because Riot Client is still running. So for this, you need to disable the Riot Client. And how you can do this is by pressing the Control Shift and Escape key or opening the Task Manager, and from here simply search for Riot. So let me type in the service name as Riot, and here you can see that these three Riot client services are running. So let me close them one by one. I'll right click onto them and click onto this end task option. And now you can see that no more Riot services are running. So now I can try again by right clicking onto this uninstall button and then again clicking on uninstall. And now you can see that the uninstallation wizard has successfully started uninstalling. And once the uninstallation has been finished, this says that the game has been successfully uninstalled. And click onto the done option, and now you have successfully uninstalled Valorant from your Windows 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please make sure to drop a like and do tell us in the comments if it worked for you or not. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.